Assalamualaikum everyone. In this tutorial, I will show you how to draw the base plate. So let's return to the software, click Sketch and select the plane and start with doing the rectangle. The length is 144 and the height is 20. And then go for extrusion and the length is 6. Okay, now we need to draw circle or hole on the surface. So right click the surface and select create sketch. As usual, always start by finding the center point, drawing the center line and convert the line to become construction line. So select a circle. The diameter is 6 and the length is 38. And the next circle, the length is 70. Okay, so we now can cut. We now can cut the object. So now we still want to use the origin that we have drawn earlier for this sketch. So we have to reactivate the sketch. So go to the sketch tree and click on this view for sketch 2. So now you can see the position of the origin where there is no need for us to draw again the center line. If somehow you cannot find where is the sketch of the small holes over here, you can always start again, right click here and then create sketch, but it will take some time. So I'm just going to start by clicking this eye over here so that it will enable, it will show the position of the earlier origin that we have drawn. So create a circle, sketch, and the diameter is 9. Same like this one. Okay, now we want to extrude cut. Make sure using your keyboard, hold down the shift button to select multiple component and go back. Drag the arrow to the right and taper -45. So you can see it will only consume a little bit of the material. So let me check whether it is done right or not. I don't think so. Okay, this one I'm going to undo and do again. So select the circle now. I'm going to select most of it. So solid, extrude, select the profile. This one, not this one. Okay, cancel. Solid, extrude. This one, and also this one. And then take it back. And the angle is -45. And select OK. So you have also to select the outer circle, and also the inner circle. So we have done for the base plate.